Welcome to problem number 5. Here I want to find the surface area of a pentagonal pyramid, and that just means a pyramid with a pentagon base. So I want to start by adding up all of these surfaces. And the first thing I notice is that on the bottom, I have a pentagon, okay? And you can see this is a pentagon because it has 5 sides. And we're always going to be dealing with regular pentagons, so you'll see these faint little marks here. This just means all the sides of the pentagon are 6, and this says 6 miles, which is a pretty big pentagon, so this is a 6 here. So there's no formula really for finding the area of this pentagon that I would want you to memorize. I just would want you to think about this logically. If you notice this line here, you could see there's a right angle there. That is 4.1. That represents, that's something called the apothem. We didn't really get into this in our class, but it just represents the height of an isosceles triangle in a polygon. So to make a long story short, if I look at this height, what I can do in the pentagon is I can draw actually 5 isosceles triangles inside there. And because it's a regular pentagon, each of these triangles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they're exactly the same. So the thinking behind this is just pretty simple. It's like all you need to do is take the area of one of these little triangles and realize that the area of the whole thing is that multiplied by 5. So what I'm going to do is say 1/2 base of 6 times height of 4.1. That's going to get me the area of one of these isosceles triangles. And I'm multiplying by 5 because there's 5 in the pentagon. So the area of the base, the area of the entire pentagon, is 61.5. It's 5 times 1/2 times 6 times 4.1. Okay, and so I will always have enough information to get that. Now, what are all the other surfaces? Well, the other surfaces appear to be triangles. And because this is a regular polygon, on the bottom, I can assume all the triangles are the same as well. So let's just look at one of them, right? I know the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So I'm going to do 1/2, which is here, the base of 6 here, and the height of one of these triangles here is 11.7. And again, notice the height and the base form a right angle. But because it's a pentagonal pyramid, there's 5 of these triangles. So I'm going to multiply that by 5. Again, use a calculator for sure for this. Put this in your calculator. You'll get 237 miles squared.